So I already did an unboxing, but I just wanted to do a basic, what would I say, basically how to set it up. It is not really that straightforward, but I mean, it took me about 10-15 minutes. A little bit of research. The only thing I had an issue with was the charging. How to charge it, or how to tell when it's fully charged. So basically out of the box, you have the box here. You're going to have something that looks like this. This is the charging cable. A lot of people online do say they have a few, issues with this. They don't get a good charge, so they end up jamming a paperclip in here. Lucky I didn't have that issue. Another thing out of the box is this. I didn't really know what it was until I read up on it a little bit. This right here, which I do believe comes in the Fitband itself. I also thought there were two of the same wristbands. I thought one was just a replacement, but then I found out it's actually a different size. You could see the two next to each other. It's more for a girl, more for a man. Now, right here, before I get into how to take this in and out of the Fitband, this right here, put this on the side. Okay, if you could see, basically it's a little metal clasp, fits in, just pushes in. Very easy. If you want to replace it, just pushes out. Again, very easy. So put it back in, kind of just pushes in. That's about it. Alright, so first we'll see how to take this in and out. You see there's a little window here, a screen, and there's a screen on here. There's also an arrow. You want the arrow to be facing you, and you want the screen to be facing, actually, why would you put it in reverse? That's pretty self-explanatory. But when putting it in, you want to put this side in first. Okay, make sure the arrow's facing up again. And you just want to slide it in. Once it feels like it can't go anymore, just like that, that's when you want to start pushing it down from the other end. And that's it. So it's in. Alright, taking it out, very easy. You don't want to push from here. You want to push from this side. Right here, you're going to push downward. Push. That's it. Comes out. Now grab it. Kind of help it. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to put the watch aside. So when I first got the Fitbit, you're going to get this little manual. Basically all it says is to visit the website. I visited the website, then I realized, okay, this is a little USB, I guess it's basically for the signal. I don't know what the proper name for it is, but it basically syncs these two together. So you're going to put this in your USB slot on your computer first. Then you're going to go to the website. Once you put it in your computer, let's see. I have a desktop, so I put it in the front of my computer. I don't know if you could see, but basically somewhere that has good range. Turn my computer on. Okay, so you put it in the computer, go to the website, and you download the software. Once you download the software, basically what it tells you to do, that's when I found out really what that was. Great thing to pick up, which I had luckily from my, I guess it's called a Nike Fit something, I don't even know, but it's just a simple USB expander or extender. See what it does? So you can plug this into your phone's USB. Okay. But it's good since this is pretty, it's really not long at all, so this gives it a little boost. You just put it in here. Now this end go into your phone or Apple, whatever you want to put it into, and you have a little range now. So this is cool to pick up. USB extender, expander, I don't know. I think it's called an extender or an extension cord. Alright. So that's, put that on the side. Does not come with it, obviously. Okay, while this computer's on already, so Alright, so when that's in, to charge it, this is the only issue I had. I didn't know when it was charged. There's so many lights on it. Until you really get used to it, how do you know it's charged? And I'll show you. Okay, let's plug this in. Alright. Okay. Okay, so to put it in, same thing. You could see the connection port right there and right here. So obviously, same thing. Always, arrow always faces you. No? Not this time. Arrow faces down. Alright? So you want the window, the screen to face you. Once again, pop it out. Connection, connection. Arrow faces down this time. And slides right in. And just a simple push right here, and you'll hear a click. That's it. Alright, so now you could see, I already charged it. That's why it's blinking. There's 5 lights. When I first started charging it, there was 2 lights blinking. You know, gradually gets to 3, 4, then 5. So this is when you know it's a full charge. That's pretty much the only thing that really I couldn't find online. How the hell do you know when it's fully charged? You got the 5 blinking lights. Pretty self-explanatory now that I think about it, but that's about it. So you know how the bands work now. You know how to put it in. Just the only thing that was a little weird is when you do put the USB into the computer, download the software, you have to sync the two. You're gonna double tap this. You're gonna see it flashing a little different than what it is now. 2 and 2. You go to your computer, it's going to say, oh, did you see the lights? Or once you see the lights, you double click it and you'll feel it vibrate. Once you feel it vibrate, you walk to your computer, it'll say, did you feel a little vibration? Or, I forget what they call it. And you click yes, and then it's paired. That's it. And the rest is just some settings and setting it up how you want. I know you can put an alarm on this. You could set it to track your sleep and all that stuff. So that's it. So, alright, thanks. Good luck.